how I installed the Vevor rechargeable hose reel. So here I just started digging a hole, and I said I should show you guys my process of doing it. So I dug a hole. It's still not deep enough, so I'm gonna dig a little bit deeper, and you want it to be as wide as at least twice the size of the post that you're gonna use. I'm gonna use an old 4x4 post that I have. So now we're just digging the hole and make it a little bit wider. You want to make sure that the hole is at least 2 times the width of the post. And since this post right here is about 6 feet, I'm gonna try to bury at least 2 feet into the ground, so that it's a little bit more stable before we add more concrete to it. So here we just put in our dry concrete. Now I'm just putting some water in there, putting enough water so that it slowly absorb the water. So we're gonna leave it for at least 48 hours so that it absorbs the water and cures for that period of time. Once it's completely cured, then we can hang our hose rails on it. Right now, I'm just staining it so that it looks a little bit presentable, and then we'll get our hose rail. We're now unboxing it and then putting it together. So it comes with a little clamp that we have to hold. Put 4 screws in there. I pre-drill it just so that it doesn't split the wood, and then now just screwing everything in there, and so that once it's there we can just lift the rail up and just put it on it, and then uh, hook it together. So this is it, just hanging it now, and then we just putting the clamp at the bottom to hold it, and then connect to the water just to test it, make sure everything works fine. And then that is it. Let's test it over here, just watering the garden with it. So let me give you guys a closer look of it. See, that is it. It looks awesome. Very easy, simple to set up, very easy to put together, and easy to use. Let me know in the comments below if you get something like this. I'll put a link below if you're interested in this item. It's gonna save me a lot of time and energy pulling the ropes, and I got the 115 feet, which is awesome. Will get to all parts of the garden. What do you guys think about the hose rail? Would you get something like this? And also let me know what size you will get if you intend to get something like this. So like I said, this is an upgrade in the garden. It's going to help us be able to get everywhere with the hose and be able to easily pull the hose back into uh, the rail. So that is it. So stay tuned for updates, and let me know in the comments below what do you think about it? Like, comment, save, share, and follow for more videos like this.